Right, Albert, this is us. You ready to go?
Yeah, I think so.
We have to hurry because everybody else has already started because I had to film.
Then hurry up, boy.
All right, let's do this thing. We walked the first 5 kilometers. How do you feel so far?
Good.
Yeah?
How do you feel?
I feel pretty good. I didn't think you would last this long, but yeah, you got it in you.
Yeah.
So we got roughly 4 more 5 kilometer trips like this one to do today. Taking our first break. We walked 1 mile or 10 kilometers and then some. So I think we're pretty close to the first checkpoint. So far, so good. So 20 kilometers, we're still alive, we're still here. How are you doing?
Good.
Good. We just had some ice cream, so the energy level is up, which is nice. Roughly 5-6 kilometers left at this point. Super good day so far, really warm, really nice, but also with a cool breeze every once in a while, and we've been walking in this sort of terrain here with a little bit of shade every now and then, so it's been a really good mix of a nice summer day but with some good shade. There we got it. Thank you. We're a couple of 100 meters to the goal. We just passed 25 kilometers for today, so it could not be that far left. Albert is... He's been better, but he's hanging in there.
The extra battery.
Yeah, there you go.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Albert was feeling a little bit low before, just like a couple of 100 meters, or the last kilometers I would say, before we hit the finish line. Now we're at the tent, cooking up some food, just enjoying the time. But there was one major thing that happened. And what was that made you feel better?
I is hurt in my ankle, and then when we come here, then I go to the toilet and do the
Number 2.
Sit down me, and then it feels much better then.
So the important thing here is go to the bathroom. It's very important when you're out because it's part of the whole system to make you feel a lot better. Proven. Day 2 packed up, good to go. Albert, how did you sleep?
Good.
Yeah?
No, not good.
Not that good or good?
No good.
No good?
It was raining too much.
It was raining a lot this night, yes, but when I came back around 9 to the tent, he was lights out, so I don't even think he remembered how good he slept. All right, so another 25 kilometers today. A lot of walks
20
by
tomorrow.
the 20 tomorrow. A lot of walks by the beach. That's gonna be really nice. All right, let's get it. So every time we break, Albert, well, he's obviously finished before me, and then he's like, yeah, I'm just gonna go. So now I sort of lost him. He's up there somewhere. He looks very small, but it's pretty cool to see him. Good times.
Don't wait for me, don't wait, 'cause I'm always heading your way, and I know exactly what I'm looking for. And as we go, I'll keep running till I can.
I'll do the same, Albert. There it goes.
You'll always be the one I want to
Back there.
miss.
Does he have the best side, you think?
The backside was great.
You'll always steal my breath away. You'll always be my heart, my life. Every second, every day.
How do you feel?
Good.
Good?
You.
I'm tired. My feet hurt,
Now
it's warm. You're really fast, so
my feet doesn't hurt.
no.
Now I got go 45 kilometers and it's hot and I need the water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How much do we have left?
Like 5 kilometers, I think.
Yeah. Energy. I'm also here.
Hi.
Hello. Are your feet better? Your ankle is better? Time to sleep. Last night.
Of the classic.
Yeah, it is. And tomorrow it's
A new day.
a new day and 21 kilometers, 22 perhaps, something like that. So time to catch some shut-eye. See you guys tomorrow.
Goodbye and good night.
Last day,
Yeah.
good to go?
Yeah.
All right, so 2.2 or 2.1 something today, and then we'll hit the finish line. Let's go.
It was nothing.
Go ahead, enjoy it. It's good, it's heavy.
Good.
Very good.
Wanna try?
Halfway through for today, and then only 10 kilometers left for the entire thing. How are we feeling?
Good.
Good? Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Mä oon hyvä tavoite. Here we go.
My time.
My time.
Now it's my time.
It will never be your time. It's always my time.